Hello, and welcome to Math 152, Statistical Methods. If you have made it this far, you've found the Start Here page and you are well on your way. After the Start Here material, you will be ready to begin the coursework. To find all of the coursework, go to the tab on the left. Click on the Coursework tab and you will find all of the units for the course. Under Unit 1, you will find all of the objectives for the section. So here are all the things that you should expect to be able to do once you complete Unit 1. We click on the folder itself, and that will lead you to everything you need for this section. The first thing you want to do is click on the readings. You'll see in Chapter 1 there are 3 separate sections, subsections, and as you click on these PDFs, you'll find your actual text, and that opens in a separate window. So when you click out of that, you'll go right back to the readings. Then you want to navigate to the top tab here, Unit 1. That'll take you right back to your folders. So once you've finished your reading, you go back to Unit 1. Here you'll find a collection of videos that will help you with understanding the material. There's one on sampling, population, and then this one's a neat video with a cartoon. Once you've reviewed your videos, you'll go back again to Unit 1. Your assignments are your homework assignments, and when you click on that link, the homework will appear directly in Blackboard. So you don't have to go to any other website. It'll pop up right in your browser in a separate window. So you'll go ahead and complete these practice exercises. They grade themselves right into Blackboard. That again opens in a separate tab, so you close that out, go back to your Unit 1. The last thing you'll want to complete is your lab. Click on that folder and your lab appears. Again, we click on that. Over here you'll see the begin, and you can go ahead and complete that lab. That is also in a separate window, so it'll bring you right back to Unit 1. And that's everything you should have checked off for the first unit. Each unit should look exactly the same. Some have more sections than others. But that is the general navigation for each unit. Please feel free to give me a call or email if you have any questions at any point on the way through and you can't find something. I'm always happy to help. Thank you.